Planned versus actual comparison. The visual planned versus actual comparison is used to look directly at changes in the project. In the case of delays, this enables a more direct and faster response to the single steps. Baseline settings. Firstly, a planned status with basic data must be selected for the project. To do this, click on the arrow next to the project name and then on Baseline. Select the desired basic schedule from the list as a planned status, for example, the contract schedule. Now change the view to Baseline. Here you can see which basic schedule has been activated and is displayed. View of Baseline. For each area, the baseline is now displayed above. In the area sidebar on the left, you will also see the corresponding label, Baseline or Current. The processes in the baseline are displayed in gray as long as the end date of the current process matches the end date from the baseline. The process color in the baseline changes to red as soon as the end date in the actual plan is delayed compared to the baseline plan. The number of days of the delay is displayed on the process. The process color in the baseline turns green as soon as the end of the process is moved earlier in the actual plan. On the process tooltip, you can quickly recognize the delay as well as the planned and the actual dates. If an entire area ends later than in the planned status, the information is displayed in the area's sidebar and on the collapsed area bar as a number of days. Filtering baseline. You can filter for earlier and later processes in each view. To do this, click on the menu Filter. Filter, for example, for processes that were completed ahead of schedule. You can also only filter for processes whose delay exceeds a certain duration. Did you like our tutorial? Then please like and share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find more tutorials in our Help Center. Do you have any questions? Then contact us at support@lcmd.io.